AI is replacing jobs. Here's how to profit from it. The world is changing fast, and artificial intelligence is leading that transformation. Every week, new tools emerge that make work faster, smarter, and cheaper. But they're also replacing traditional jobs in the process. From copywriters to customer service reps, automation is taking over tasks that once required human effort. But here's the truth. AI isn't just eliminating jobs, it's creating new ones too. The people who learn how to use AI instead of fearing it will be the ones who profit the most. If you know how to harness this technology, AI can become your most powerful business partner, not your competition. But before we begin, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on any of our upcoming videos. How AI is changing work. AI isn't just another tech trend. It's a full-blown revolution. Companies across industries are using artificial intelligence to handle everything from scheduling and design to customer service and data analysis. What used to take teams of people can now be done by one person with the right AI tools. For workers who don't adapt, this shift feels like a threat. But for those who do, it's the biggest opportunity since the birth of the internet. Imagine being able to automate 80% of your work so you can focus on strategy, creativity, or building new income streams. That's exactly what AI makes possible. The key is learning where the demand is moving and how to position yourself to meet it. Learn to use AI as a skill, not a shortcut. The first step to profiting from AI is to stop seeing it as a shortcut and start seeing it as a skill. Businesses are desperately looking for people who know how to use AI tools effectively, not just to generate text, but to create real results. Whether it's writing high-performing ad copy, generating business ideas, analyzing data, or designing marketing strategies, AI is the ultimate assistant. If you learn how to give the right prompts, you can deliver faster, better, and cheaper results than others. Platforms like ChatGPT, Claude, and Midjourney aren't replacing humans. They're replacing inefficiency. The people who master these tools become irreplaceable. Create digital products that AI can help you build. One of the most profitable ways to take advantage of AI is by creating digital products. These could be ebooks, online courses, templates, or even AI prompt packs. Start by using AI to research what's trending. Google Trends, Reddit, and YouTube are great places to begin. Once you find a profitable topic, use ChatGPT to help you write, design, and polish your content. You can sell your products on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or your own website. The best part is that you can automate most of the process. With AI handling content generation, product descriptions, and marketing copy, your role becomes that of a strategist. You think, AI builds. Build a personal brand around AI. In 2025, having a personal brand is one of the most powerful ways to make money. The world doesn't just buy products anymore. It follows people who provide value. Use AI to help you build and grow your personal brand faster. Start a YouTube channel, podcast, or blog that shares insights about how AI is changing industries. Use ChatGPT to help script videos, write posts, or come up with new ideas. You can then monetize your brand through affiliate marketing, sponsorships, or your own digital courses. The more you teach others about AI, the more valuable your personal brand becomes. And that's something no algorithm can replace. Start freelancing with AI-enhanced skills. Freelancing is one of the easiest ways to profit from AI right now. Thousands of clients on Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are looking for writers, marketers, designers, and consultants who use AI tools to deliver faster results. You don't need to be an expert in coding or data science. You just need to know how to use AI to improve quality and efficiency. For instance, you can offer AI-enhanced writing, AI strategy consulting, or AI-powered social media management. ChatGPT can help you write proposals, deliver the work, and even handle client communication. The more value you can provide in less time, the more money you'll make, and AI gives you that edge. Turn AI prompts into a real business. Prompts are the language of AI, and people are paying real money for good ones. Platforms like PromptBase, Prompt Hero, and Etsy now allow creators to sell effective prompts for specific tasks, from writing social media captions to generating design ideas. If you spend time experimenting with ChatGPT or Midjourney, you can turn that knowledge into a business. Create organized prompt packs like 100 prompts for content creators or 50 prompts for entrepreneurs. It's a simple, low-cost business that anyone can start. Once you have a few best-selling prompt packs, you can generate passive income and scale by building new ones as AI tools evolve. Use AI to automate income streams. The beauty of AI is that it can work while you sleep. Automation tools like Zapier, Notion AI, or ChatGPT API integrations can help you build systems that run on autopilot. You can automate content posting, email marketing, or even customer support. For example, if you run an online store, AI can handle product descriptions, customer inquiries, and even analytics reports. If you manage social media accounts, AI can plan and schedule posts automatically. By building systems instead of tasks, you free up your time to focus on strategy or on creating more income streams. Automation doesn't just save time, it multiplies profits. Teach AI skills to others. If you're good at understanding how AI works, there's a huge market for education. People everywhere, from small business owners to students, are trying to learn how to use AI effectively. You can create tutorials, host workshops, or start an online course teaching the basics of AI tools. Platforms like Teachable, Skillshare, and Udemy make it easy to reach global audiences. Even a simple YouTube channel explaining how to use ChatGPT for business can attract thousands of viewers. As long as AI keeps growing, people will keep paying to learn. Teaching others is one of the most sustainable and fulfilling ways to profit from this revolution. Invest in AI-driven businesses. If you're more interested in long-term gains, investing in AI-related startups or companies could be your ticket to wealth. Many investors are already profiting from businesses developing AI tools, automation systems, and machine learning solutions. But you don't have to be a millionaire to get started. Even small investments in publicly traded AI companies or ETFs can grow over time. You can also create your own micro-businesses using AI automation to run e-commerce stores, blogs, or marketing agencies. The goal isn't just to follow the AI trend, it's to own a piece of it. Build an AI-enhanced agency. If you already have experience in marketing, design, or consulting, you can take your business to the next level with AI. Start an AI-powered digital agency that helps clients grow faster using automation, analytics, and content generation. You can offer services like AI copywriting, data-driven strategy, or automated customer engagement. Clients are eager to save time and costs, and if you show them how AI can do that, they'll pay you well. AI doesn't replace your expertise, it amplifies it. With the right combination of skills and strategy, you can scale your agency faster than ever before. The future belongs to the adapters. AI isn't something to fear, it's something to master. Yes, some jobs will disappear, but entirely new industries will emerge. The people who win are those who adapt early, experiment boldly, and keep learning. Every major technological revolution has created winners and losers. The difference this time is that anyone with a laptop and curiosity can be on the winning side. Whether you're freelancing, building products, or teaching others, AI gives you the leverage to grow faster and earn more. So don't wait for the future, build it. Use AI not just to survive the wave of automation, but to ride it to financial freedom. Because while others fear being replaced, you'll be the one getting paid to lead the change. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like these, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on any of our upcoming videos. See you next time.